Good morning, everyone. My name is Divya Darsini SP from the Department of Mechanical Engineering at GCE Salem. Today, I am going to present my topic Comparison of Fixed, Programmable, and Flexible Automation. In this presentation, we will understand the three major types of automation, their characteristics, examples, advantages, limitations, and applications in automobile manufacturing. Automation is the use of control systems and information technology to reduce human intervention in manufacturing processes. The main purpose of automation is to improve productivity, consistency, safety, and cost effectiveness. Automation is important because it enables mass production, improves precision, reduces production time, and supports scalable manufacturing. The three main types of automation are fixed automation, programmable automation, and flexible automation. Fixed automation, also known as hard automation, uses a fixed sequence of operations dedicated to producing a specific product or process. It is mainly designed for continuous and very high volume production. The production rate is very high, but flexibility is very low. Any change in the product may require major redesign and high investment. Typical examples include automobile transfer lines, bottling lines, and continuous production systems. Programmable automation allows the equipment to be reprogrammed to change the sequence of operations or part geometry. It is mainly suitable for batch production, where different products are produced with some setup or changeover time. It provides medium production volume and medium flexibility with a moderate initial investment. Examples include CNC turning, CNC milling, and programmable industrial robots. Flexible automation, also called soft automation, is designed to handle a high variety of products with minimum changeover time. It is controlled using software or a central computer, which provides very high flexibility. It is suitable for low to medium production volumes with frequent product changes. However, it involves higher system complexity and cost. Examples include flexible manufacturing systems, robotic machining cells, and automated manufacturing cells. Now let us compare the three types of automation. Fixed automation has very low flexibility and very high production volume. It has the highest production rate and is mainly used for mass production. Programmable automation provides medium flexibility and is suitable for medium production volumes and batch production. Flexible automation has very high flexibility and is suitable for low to medium production volumes with high product variety. The changeover time is long in fixed automation, moderate in programmable automation, and minimal in flexible automation. Therefore, each type is selected based on production volume, product variety, and required flexibility. Let us look at some suitable examples. For fixed automation, automobile assembly and transfer lines, as well as bottling plants, are common examples. For programmable automation, CNC turning, CNC milling, and batch production runs are typical examples. For flexible automation, flexible manufacturing systems and robotic manufacturing cells are widely used. These examples show how automation type changes according to production requirements. Each type of automation has its own advantages and limitations. Fixed automation provides a very high production rate and low unit cost when production volume is high. However, it has very low flexibility and is costly to redesign. Programmable automation can be reprogrammed and is suitable for different production batches. Its limitation is the setup and changeover time. Flexible automation provides quick changeover and supports a high variety of products. However, it requires high capital investment and has greater control complexity. Automation plays an important role in automobile manufacturing. Fixed automation is used in high volume transfer and assembly lines for standard vehicle models. It provides rapid production cycles. Programmable automation is used in CNC machining centers to produce batches of engine blocks, gear components, and other parts. the machines can be reprogrammed for different variants. Flexible automation is used in robotic machining and assembly cells, as well as flexible manufacturing systems to support mixed model production. Thus, all three types of automation have important roles in automobile manufacturing. To conclude, fixed automation is best suited for high volume and low variety production with the highest production rates. Programmable automation is suitable for batch production with medium product variety and reprogrammable equipment. Flexible automation is suitable for high product variety and quick changeover using software controlled systems. The selection of automation depends on production volume, product variety, required flexibility, investment, and control complexity. Thank you for listening to